Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a simple face mask using a piece of felt. But if you don't have felt, you can use a thick piece of fabric, maybe from an old sweatshirt. You don't want it to be thin like a t-shirt material because it's just too thin. And if you have a piece of fabric for your face mask that's way too thin, it's better than nothing, but it really won't do much because germs can still pass right through. So I'm folding up this felt like a fan, and I'm tying one end tightly with a ribbon. Now it's time to do the same thing on the other side, so I'm refolding this back into a fan shape before I tie it. I'm going to tie this other end, and I tried on the mask, and the way I had it tied before, it's too annoying right there because you could feel like a lumpy ball on your face. So I'm just going to undo that and let a little piece hang out of each side, but tied very securely. Feels so much more comfortable on. And now it's time to get a piece of paper towel to put inside, and you can always change your paper towel as much as you want, maybe with each shopping trip. Alright, the face mask feels great. Now we will work on the face shield. So I'm removing the outside label of the soda bottle. And now I'm going to try to cut as close to the top and the bottoms as I can, because we need this piece of plastic to be quite big so it can cover our whole face. And be careful when you're cutting because it's really easy to slip with your scissors and you can get hurt. Now I will cut this right down the middle so we can have two even sides. Now I'm wiping down any extra moisture from this bottle that I rinsed out earlier. I'm cutting off any sharp edges. I'm just trying this on, and I used the marker to write a line of where my eyes would be, and I used a piece of masking tape there as my guide so I can keep my cutting areas very straight. And that little space in between the tape, that's where my eyes will go, and that's where I can see everything. Now we will just put some tape on the inside and outside to protect our eyes. Right here is a good idea to have someone help you out so you can place the other side of the tape so the two sticky sides will be touching each other. And that's my cute little daughter's hand, so helping me. Now I'm just going to cover all the edges with the masking tape because we don't want to get cut accidentally, and the sides of the bottle that we cut, they can be sharp. Now we just need to hole punch the top and the bottom and add some ribbon. Now the face shield is all done. So we have the face shield done and we have the face mask. This will really help you out a lot. And here I am just putting on the face mask to show you that it does cover my nose and mouth really well. And the face shield. The bottom part of the soda bottle really fits your forehead quite well. Well, I'm all prepared. And now I can just adjust this little mask to make sure my eyes are able to see through. And that's it. And thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone.